My name is Dr. Michael Carson, and I teach the genetics class. I teach both lectures and laboratories, and I teach two advanced classes that follow genetics. One is human genetics, and in that class I get into medical aspects of genetics. And then I've recently started to teach a genomics class, which is a computational class and gets into elements of coding and using computers to analyze biological data, largely genetic data as well. I have two basic research areas that I'm working on. One is I collaborate with my wife, Carol Carson, on collection of mola, it's called the ocean sunfish, which she actually responds to stranded or dead animals, collects muscle tissue. And from that muscle tissue, I do DNA fingerprinting analysis to learn more about the populations. We have those samples as a toolbox that we can then isolate DNA from and look at particularly variable sites in the genetic material. And the second area that I work on has to do with human populations. And we use the data to do DNA fingerprinting to demonstrate how genetic-based ancestry tests work. The DNA fingerprinting relates to actual DNA sequence data that is fully available, all 3 billion letters of the genetic code, in databases that are available for free use. And those databases contain samples from many individuals from all around the world, from all sorts of populations, all continents, and by using those individuals as comparators, you can actually do DNA ancestry testing, say of an unknown individual, to see where they fit in terms of their genetic similarities and differences from people. Usually the students that work with me have gone through at least the sophomore level cell biology classes, and many of the students are just starting genetics when they begin to work with me. In both the projects that I do, some computational analysis, and it could even be working with files such as you work with Excel files, and in some cases it could be even coding projects. I do one of the computer languages that I do tend to have my students work with a little bit is the Python computer language. So if you're interested in working in any of the DNA-based projects that I have going in the lab, I do have one that's using field-based specimens with the ocean sunfish, and then one with human population data that's available on databases on the web. And so please reach out to me. You can find me in my office, find my office hours, or make an appointment, or just email me and we'll talk more about these projects.